Kevin, on this day you become my husband, my forever and always. I vow to be the best wife, mother to your children, grandmother to theirs, and to always hold your hand, kiss your face, and love you unconditionally. Today is the day that I've dreamed about since I was a little girl, and God has perfectly placed us in each other's lives, and I could not have dreamed of a better man. You are beyond my dreams.
Morgan, I promise to devote every ounce of me to give you the life that you've dreamed of and deserve. I vow to always love you with every ounce of me, to be by your side to share in your hurt and to share in your celebrations, to feel what you feel so that you are never truly alone, and to be there for you for the rest of eternity. I vow to remind you every day just how perfect you truly are, to treat you like my queen and spoil you rotten, to make you feel beautiful, sexy, gorgeous, funny, confident, strong, and special every moment, to cherish every second God has given me, to admire everything about you, to hold you even when you complain that I'm too heavy, to kiss you even when you roll your eyes at me, to be your dance partner even though I have 2 left feet, and to make you smile with my incredible dad jokes.
I am incredibly grateful for the work God has done in our lives, and I am extremely excited to see where He takes us on this next chapter of our lives together. I love you with my whole heart, forever and ever. See you at 5.